has been joining this Manufacturing Expo for over 15 years. Over the years, we see the growing connection and cooperation between Taiwan and Thailand. So this time, we decide to enforce and enlarge our participation. Highlight, I think it's just one word, sustainability. That's the most important global industries are facing right now. So we believe Thailand is the manufacturing hub of Asian market, and Taiwan is your trusted partner for innovation and for technology. So together, Taiwan and Thailand, we can tie together to make the industry and make the world more sustainable. We are cordially invite all of our Thai media friends to stay around a little bit longer to see what we can bring to Thailand and what Thailand can offer for cooperation. I believe that's the key message here, to make connection, to know each other more, to explore the cooperation opportunity.